Discover the sparkle in language. A gem of a explained. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we are going to explore a sparkling phrase in the English language, a gem of a. This phrase is a real jewel in terms of expression and can add a touch of brilliance to your language skills. So, if you're ready to add some luster to your English vocabulary, let's dive in and discover just how precious this phrase can be. The phrase, a gem of a, is used to describe something or someone that is outstanding or excellent in some way. The word, gem, refers to a precious stone that is both beautiful and valuable. When we use this phrase, we compare the person or thing to a gem, suggesting that they have qualities that are admirable and rare. For example, if someone says, "She's a gem of a teacher," they mean that the teacher is exceptional and greatly appreciated. This phrase can be applied to almost anything, from a gem of a book to a gem of a day. Let's look at how you can use a gem of a in everyday conversation or writing. Remember, this expression is often used to convey enthusiasm and admiration. Here are a few examples. I just watched a gem of a movie. It was the best I've seen in years. The museum had a gem of a collection. I was amazed by the exhibits. You found a gem of a restaurant. The food here is divine. Notice how in each instance, a gem of a precedes a noun and is often accompanied by a positive adjective or context that underlines the exceptional quality being highlighted. Using a gem of a correctly also means understanding the subtleties of the phrase. It's typically used in positive contexts and can sometimes add a sense of personal touch or intimacy to a statement, indicating that the speaker has a fond appreciation for whatever is being discussed. It's important to note that while a gem of a is a complimentary phrase, it's also subjective. What is a gem to one person might be just ordinary to another. So, use it when you genuinely believe something is special. Even the most versatile phrases have their limitations. A gem of a is no exception. It's not typically used in formal writing or speech and is best suited for informal contexts. Also, avoid using it in a negative way, as it's meant to highlight excellence and positivity. For example, you wouldn't say, "It was a gem of a disaster," because this confuses the generally positive connotation of a gem. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video has been a gem for you and that you're now confident in using this charming phrase in your own conversations. Practice it. Enjoy the variety it adds to your language. And remember, every opportunity to speak or write in English is a gem of a chance to shine. See you in the next video.